What's up, Skippy? Here is one of those trucks that Zach was talking to you about. We have another one that's almost the exact same. It is in silver. But this is a 2016 XLT. It's the 5-liter. And by 5-liter, I mean the 3.5-liter EcoBoost. Never mind, it's not the 5-liter. This has roughly, how many miles on it here? It's got 19,000 miles on it, 19.4. Power windows and locks. Zach said specifically that you wanted something that had the available seating up front, and so this one does. Here's a shot of the back seat. Actually, I'm going to open up this back door for you real quick as well. Lots of room in the back. This obviously is a crew cab. The floor is entirely flat. Tons and tons of room. This also has a drop-in bed liner and the tie-down cleats in the back. Those lock down. Pretty sweet little ride. The silver one is out of the dealership right now, but we could certainly get that for you when you want to take a look at it. My number is 303-981-8978. 303-981-8978. Talk to you soon, buddy. Bye.